Most agents are stuck on a treadmill. Chase a new lead, close one deal, then start all over from zero. And look, there's nothing wrong with that. That's a big part of traditional real estate. But what if I told you there's another way to run a real estate business? One where the same client comes back again and again and again. What I'm about to show you can change the whole direction of your career. Most agents never learn it, and the ones who do, they build something that lasts. When most people get into real estate, they think success comes down to one thing: more clients, more leads, more conversations, more closings. And sure, that's one way to do it, but there is another path. One that's often faster, steadier, and a whole lot easier to scale. And that's working with real estate investors. Instead of constantly chasing brand new clients, investor-focused agents build deeper relationships with fewer, better ones. Why? Because investors don't just buy once and disappear. They keep going. They buy, they sell, they build whole portfolios. One good investor relationship can turn into several deals a year. Later in this video, I'll break down the exact mindset shift that gets an investor to trust you fast. Before that though, let me show you how agents make way more money working with investors over typical home buyers. Take a real buyer. They buy a home maybe once every 8 to 12 years, maybe longer. But investors, they buy in a different way. They're always hunting for the next opportunity. So think about this. That traditional client hires you to buy a property and it closes tomorrow. Then you don't hear from them for 12 years. Now picture one great investor who buys 2 properties every year and sells one every year. That's 3 a year from one relationship. One client gives you a single check, the other gives you 3. So now that you see the financial incentive, how do you work with investors? To work with investors, you've got to understand how they think. And they think differently than the typical buyer. They're not emotional. They don't fall in love with a kitchen or a backyard. They ask 4 things. What's the return? What's the risk? What's the timeline? And what's the exit? Investors aren't looking for someone to sell them a house. They're looking for someone who helps them make a better financial decision. So your value becomes 3 things. You spot the opportunity, you bring the insight, and you help reduce the risk. You're helping someone build a portfolio to build wealth. One of the fastest ways to become valuable to any investor is actually pretty easy. Bring them deals. That could be on-market properties, off-market properties, distressed situations, value-add opportunities. Relevance matters way more than volume. Don't just flood them with deals. When you consistently bring opportunities that fit what they're looking for, you become someone they rely on. Now, each investor has a certain set of criteria for deals they want to purchase. It's called their buy box. It usually covers their price range, the property type, the location, the strategy, and how much risk they're willing to take on. Your job is simple. Understand that buy box, then match deals to it. That's where trust gets built fast. When you can talk the numbers, even at a basic level, you build confidence with that investor. And again, it's about the math, and the math is learnable. One thing you should remember when communicating with any investor is to be concise. You have to be data-driven. You got to be responsive. Investors value clarity over chit-chat. The more direct and prepared you are, the more professional you come across. And here's where it gets good. These relationships build on themselves. One deal leads to another, one investor introduces you to 2 more, and those deals turn into listings and referrals and even more opportunities. Instead of building one deal at a time, you've got a network that grows on its own. There's one more big advantage: stability. When the market's hot, investors are buying. When the market shifts, investors don't disappear. They just adapt, they change strategy, they look for different kinds of deals. So while a lot of agents panic every time the market turns, investor-focused agents just keep moving. If you're brand new to real estate, here's one of the greatest things that you can learn. Working with investors helps you build repeat business faster. It takes the pressure off constant lead gen, it sharpens your negotiation, and it positions you as a specialist while everyone else is still a generalist. That's how you scale without burning out. Your license is essential. It teaches you compliance and your fiduciary duty, but it doesn't cover how investors think. It doesn't teach deal analysis, it doesn't teach strategy, or how to work with repeat clients. So if you want to build a high-income, sustainable real estate business, remember the Certified Investor Agent Specialist designation. CIAS is designed for agents and walks you through how investors think, how to spot the right opportunities, and how to build those repeat long-term relationships. You don't have to be an investor to use it. You just have to want the business that lasts. If that sounds like you, the link to CIAS is right below. I encourage you to go check it out. One last thing though. We talked about how to work with investors. Now, the next thing you should know is the one thing that every investor wants to know, and that's what I'm going to cover in the next video. So I hope that was helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.